Do you know, kids, who is God? According to certain religion and mythologies, God is the creator of the earth and of everything else. Hinduism says that there is one God who can come in many forms. Theists believe that God created everything that exists and has ever existed. In most religions, God is believed to be immortal, which cannot die, and to have unlimited power, whose power are not limited to one thing. The belief that God or gods exists is usually called theism. People who reject belief that God is or any deity exists are called atheists. Good morning, students. I welcome you to today's GK virtual class. Today, we are going to do page number 94 and 95 of your book, Road to God. It comes under the topic of art and culture. Let's do. Before starting the topic, let's see the learning outcomes. After the completion of this topic, students, you will be able to identify the names of some famous places of worship based on the pictures given. You will be able to know about these places of worship. You will be able to write the correct answer after reading the description given in the page. The first one is Temple of Heaven. The Temple of Heaven was the most important of Beijing's imperial temples. It was where the emperor of Ming and Qing dynasty from 1420 to 1900 worshipped the god of heaven and prayed for good harvests. It has been described as the masterpiece of architecture and landscape design. In 1998, the Temple of Heaven was listed as UNESCO's World Heritage Site. It is located in Tiantan Park in the Old City section of Beijing. It is the 15th century structure with its red walls and gold dilating, which is typically the architecture of Ming dynasty. The second one is Mosque of Muhammad Ali Pasha. It stands within the wall of citadel in Cairo in Egypt. It was built between 1830 and 1857. It is the largest and the grandest of the four mosques situated in the citadel. It is situated on the summit of citadel. This Ottoman mosque is the largest to be built in the first half of 19th century. The mosque was built in the memory of Tushun Pasha, Muhammad Ali's oldest son, who died in 1816. The third one is Byorin Temple. Byorin Temple is the Buddhist temple in the peaceful city of Uji in Kyoto Prefecture, Japan. It is built in late Heian period. This temple was originally built in 998 in the Heian period. It is situated on the west bank of Uji Gawa River. It is a UNESCO's World Heritage Site. It is one of the Japan's most recognizable temple. Fourth one is Khajuraho Temple. Khajuraho Temple is a group of temples situated in Madhya Pradesh, that is central India. It is a famous tourist and archaeological site. The temples are dedicated to Shiva, Vishnu and Jain Parishads. The temples were built by the Chandla rulers between 900 AD and 1130. It is recognized as UNESCO's World Heritage Site. Khajuraho had 85 temples till 12th century. Now only 22 temples managed to survive and stood the test of time. Fifth one is Temple of Jupiter. Jupiter was king of gods in ancient Roman religion. Numerous temples were dedicated to him in Rome and throughout the Roman Empire. It was oldest large temple in Rome. It was surrounded by the area of Capitolina, a place where numerous shrines, statues, and victory trophies were displayed. This monument temple was built by Romans around 509 BCE. It is situated atop at the Capitoline Hill in the ancient city of Rome. The temple is primarily dedicated to group of three deities known as Capitoline Triad. Jetavana Ramya is a stupa or Buddhist monument located in the decades of Jetavana Monastery in the World Heritage Site of Anuradhapura, Sri Lanka. At 122 meter, it was the world's tallest stupa. A part of the sash or belt tied by Buddha is believed to be preserved here. This temple is located in the city of Anuradhapura, Sri Lanka. It was built by King Mahasena in the 3rd century AD and it took 15 years to complete it. The height of the stupa is 400 feet, making it the tallest stupa in the ancient world. Seventh one is Taksang Phalphag Monastery is a prominent Himalayan Buddhist sacred site and temple complex located in the cliffside of the Upper Paro Valley in Bhutan. It is popularly known as Tiger Nest Monastery. It was built in 1692 and is dedicated to Guru Padam Maheshwabha, who introduced Buddhism in Bhutan. He meditated for 4 months in the 18th century in this monastery. It is located in Paro Valley, Paro district, Bhutan. The 8th one is Borobudur Temple. It is located in Indonesia, island of Java. Borobudur Temple is the world's biggest Buddhist monument. It is located on the hilltop overlooking lush green fields and distant hills. The monument is a marvel of design decorated with 2,672 relief panels and 504 Buddha statues. Borobudur is one of the Indonesia's and world's most valuable treasure. It was built during the Sailendra dynasty. Kids, I told you, by the completion of this topic, you will be able to identify the names of some famous places of worship based on the pictures given in the page. Now I have one task for you to do. You have to write, you have to tell me which is the largest Hindu temple in the world and where it is located. Thank you. Thank you and have a wonderful day.